As a business owner or property manager, you have many responsibilities maintaining your buildings. One of them is to keep a leak-free roof for your tenants and to protect your investment. With the advancements made in high solid silicone roof coatings, many building owners are utilizing roof coating restoration systems that can be installed over existing roofs. Remtek Services can perform a detailed analysis which may include infrared thermal moisture imaging and core sampling to determine if your roof qualifies. If wet or damaged roofing is found, Remtek will repair or replace only the damaged areas prior to installing the new restoration system. The process starts with cleaning the existing membrane by thoroughly pressure washing the surface and applying primers as specified by the manufacturer. A base coating of silicone is then applied to all seams for added protection. Once the roof is dry and the primer has been applied, Remtek certified installers then apply the silicone top coating to the prepared roof area, providing a fully adhered seamless UV-resistant membrane that is long-lasting and renewable. Remtek offers 10, 15, and 20-year manufacturer warranties. Call Remtek today for a free consultation and analysis.